Hello viewers, are you experiencing cannot adjust brightness because it's being controlled by Facebook error problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Facebook apps and then long press on Facebook apps. Open Facebook app info, click on I button or app info. Scroll down, go to storage option, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your device. Press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After restart your device, now swipe down notification bar and then try to adjust brightness and see problem solved successfully.